My name is Francisca Alonso, and I am the CEO and co-founder of AV Architects and Builders. I know that the prospect of building your own custom home can be an exciting endeavor, but you want to know exactly how much you can get for your money. That's why in this three-part series, we will be discussing 3 different houses and what features come at different costs. Let's dive in. This home is located in McLean, Virginia, and the style is warm modern. The size of the home is 8,000 to 9,000 square feet. The home has 5 bedrooms, 6.5 baths, and a 3-car garage. And cost ranges between 2.8 to 3.2 million, not including site and land costs. On the lower level, you would find a full guest suite with a full bathroom, a gym, a large rec room, a theater room, and plenty of storage. One of the beautiful things about this lot is that it allowed for a walkout into the backyard. We just took advantage of the topography and created a small retaining wall and positioned the house in such a way that half of the basement is open to daylight. On the main level, we have an owner's suite with a his and her walk-in closets and a full owner's bath. This house also has a very generously sized study, powder room, and then for the core of the house, you have a double height great room with a kitchen and a breakfast area and a walk-in pantry. Right off the 3-car garage, as you enter the home, you pass through the laundry/mudroom. On the upper level, you have 3-bedroom suites with ensuite bathrooms, and you have a full second laundry. One of the cool features of this house is the expansive covered back deck. It is right off the great room, and it's over 1,000 square feet. It's just a stunning view of the rear backyard. In addition, we also have a master plan for a pool design. The clients wanted to have this for their future, and so we incorporated this wish list into the master plan of the design. The land cost for this property is 1 to 1.4 million, and it's for 1 acre in McLean, Virginia. The site costs are around 150,000, which is less than Great Falls because you have public utilities. It has a small retaining wall that gave us the ability to have that open lower level, and then a medium-sized driveway, landscaping package, and very minimal tree removal because the site was pretty clear. To get estimated cost, you need to take into account 3 factors: construction costs, site costs, and land costs. If you haven't already, check out our other 2 videos in this series. If you want to know more about the specifics of how we price our homes, head on over to our Learning Center, where we have additional videos and articles on this topic. And if you want an exact price on your custom home, schedule a discovery call with us so we can get that process started. Talk to you soon.